Hi guys, Jack here from Out and About Live, and we're here today in gloriously sunny Suffolk to have a look at this, the new OPUS All-Road folding camper. Or, well, not new, the OPUS All-Road has been selling well for a number of years now, but this upgraded lifestyle package is what we're here to have a look at today. Now, folding campers have undergone somewhat of a transformation, at least since I first encountered them, which my parents had a folding camper back 25 years ago. And we enjoyed holidays the length and breadth of the UK, into France as well. I've got very fond memories of those holidays, but it wasn't cool.
OPUS campers, though, are cool. The rugged, go-anywhere aesthetic is matched by genuinely impressive features, especially in the newer ORX model, but this all-road version still packs a punch. It's built to endure all weather conditions and looks fantastic, partly thanks to OPUS's choice of colour scheme, where sunset orange contrasts with deep greys and black. That hard top also enables you to carry bikes and luggage too. On site, the all-road is a breeze to pitch. The feet wind down and are locked in place before both sleeping compartments fold out. Then it's a simple case of pressing a button and letting the main structure inflate, which takes no time at all.
So included in the lifestyle package is this, the OPUS Sun Canopy. And this attaches really, really easily straight onto the all-road. You can actually have it pre-attached as well, so that when you're doing the main self-inflation, this pops up along with it, or can be attached separately. And this offers, obviously, a much greater living space than you would get typically. I mean, the living space inside is generous, there's no doubt about that, but being able to open it up and have the outdoor seating area as well is a real asset.
OPUS campers already appeal to a wide range of customers, and this Sun Canopy makes the all-road even more versatile, from families entertaining young kids to couples enjoying a summer break. The air technology in use is highly stable and provides a comfortable space, a theme which continues indoors.
On the interior of the all-road, you find this bright, well-ventilated, very welcoming space, really aided by these roof windows, by your side windows over here, and windows to the end of the bedroom compartments as well, all of which contribute to a breathable, well-ventilated, and really bright open space, really welcoming in the outdoors. Here we have a U-shaped lounge, easily seating 4 people. Potentially you can bring another sort of camping chair up here as well if you have other people over in addition, with your 2 sleeping compartments, 1 at either end. Now the all-road does actually sleep 6. This lounge compartment can be converted into an additional bed, but the benefit of not doing so is that this rear bedroom compartment here can be converted into a king-size bed, which we'll show you in a second.
Beyond the lounge, the all-road provides a comprehensive setup for camping in comfort and style, whether you're upgrading from a regular tent or transitioning from a leisure vehicle. The kitchenette features a hob with 2 gas burners, a sink, loads of work surface space for preparing meals, and plenty of storage. Behind and across the aisle is a Dometic fridge, with a Thetford portable toilet on the other side of the entranceway. In short, everything you need for a camping break.
So while the OPUS All-Road can sleep 6 people, the ideal configuration, I think, would be for a couple, maybe a family of 4, to make maximum use of the space available, both in terms of your living arrangement and your sleeping arrangements. As stated, you've got a double bed down here, happily sleeping a couple of people, and then a king-size configuration down the end as well. So, as stated, the all-road will sleep 6 people, quite comfortably as well. But I think the best configuration for this particular folding camper is this setup here with the king size bed configuration, which is going to take your sleeping capacity down to 4 people, but with much more space available for this main bedroom compartment. Now, underneath this king-size bed configuration is a mattress topper. So this should be a very comfy bed. And can confirm, very comfy bed. You've got loads of space back here, okay? And also, what I love about the All-Road, and about Opus in general, really, is that if you are sleeping back here, obviously without the king-size bed configuration, you could close up this compartment, right? And you can have a bit of privacy. And there are blackout screens available for these windows to really, make sure you're getting some good shut-eye. But equally, I like to make use of those windows and all the available space. So leave those screens open overnight. See the stars. Lie in bed here, see the stars above, or allow that light and that air to flood in. I think that's probably where these Opus campers start to really differentiate from others on the market. Now, one of the considerations that you need to make when you're looking at an Opus is the price point. It's a comparable price to a new caravan, and if you're starting to look at second-hand campervans, for example, although the price on those is rising definitely, and looks to be continuing to set to do so, you're starting to get into comparable places in terms of your budget. So then the conversation will turn to, well, is a folding camper, a towable folding camper, going to be comparable to a campervan, to a caravan? For my money, the answer is yes. You've got a easily comparable amount of space in here, definitely a greater living space in this particular model than I've personally enjoyed on previous campervan trips, particularly when you start adding in the awning as well, or the Sun Canopy as displayed on this model. I think that the space within is certainly comparable, if not better. And then you think about the added benefits of being able to drive away from it, compared to a camper van, of the ease of towing compared to a caravan in terms of its size and its weight. There's some real benefits to be had here.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and head to Out and About Live for loads more camping news, reviews and inspiration. Cheers!